thumbnail's not clickbait. It is truth. I did destroy my motorcycle for TikTok. I had to obey our Chinese overlords and create some content for TikTok. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out the damages. Okay, now let's go ahead and pause right there.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
So what you're probably wondering is how exactly did I destroy my motorcycle for TikTok? Let me just show you the TikTok video. Put your head on my... And now this is the piece of the video that wasn't included in TikTok. Yeah, so now you know why I destroyed my motorcycle, and we can get back to reassessing the damage. So I broke off the brake lever right here. Then the bar end weight snapped off inside of there. Handlebars seem to be okay. Throttle is okay. And I wanted something quick to be able to ride, so I went ahead and picked up a pair of these cheap MZS tuning levers. So we're going to be installing these guys today. Let's use the brake lever. That's what we're doing. So here I'm removing the stock brake lever pin. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up and then re-grease it before putting it back in with the new lever that I bought. Since they were kind of cheap, I was a little bit worried that there was going to be something wrong with them, so I just was kind of double checking that all the measurements seemed to be the same from the stock lever to the new lever. Get this guy cleaned off. The manual says we need a little bit of oil on this. Definitely meant to say grease, not oil. The manual does not call for Loctite on this bolt, but I tightened it down exactly to the spec, which was 6 foot-pounds. And when I went to take the stock lever off, it was actually loose and the nut on the bottom was about to fall out, so I figured I might as well go ahead and add a little bit of Loctite to it, just to be sure I'm not going to lose that while I'm riding. Here's the broken one. Snapped right off there. Now I'm going ahead and I'm removing the stock clutch lever to get that replaced with the new one. The pin for the clutch lever also needs to be greased as well.
See, I have put a new clutch cable on this bike, but I kind of forget what I have to do to get this out of the way and then get the clutch cable in the new one. That is dirty though. Jesus. Aha. Then I'd like to go ahead and probably get it a little cleaned out up in here first before putting the new one on.
Right, boy.
So, let's see. Just like that. Wow, that popped in so easily. Okay, I just need a little bit of grease on this. Alright, put the levers on.
Now we just gotta test them.
Right, boy.
Ooh.